In today's world, where remote work and hybrid models are increasingly common, having a dedicated workspace at home is more important than ever. It's no longer a luxury, but a necessity for maintaining productivity and a healthy work-life balance. A well-defined home office can significantly impact your focus, creativity, and overall job satisfaction. It's not just about where you put your computer. Simply setting up a laptop on the kitchen table won't cut it in the long run. It's about creating a spot that inspires productivity and feels like your own, a space where you can concentrate, brainstorm, and feel motivated to tackle your daily tasks. Think of it as your personal command center designed to support your professional goals. When designing your home office, treat it with the same care as any other room in your house. Consider the aesthetics, the functionality, and how the space makes you feel. A well-designed office can be a source of inspiration and a reflection of your personal style. Even a small, intentional setup, perhaps a corner in your living room or a repurposed closet, can make a big difference in your daily routine. It's about maximizing the space you have and creating a dedicated zone for work. Your workspace should help you transition from home life to work mode, signaling to your brain that it's time to focus and be productive, even if it's just a few steps away. This separation, however small, is crucial for maintaining boundaries and preventing burnout. Focus on simplicity and function. Prioritize the essentials that will help you get your work done efficiently. You don't need a big budget or a huge room to create an effective workspace. Creativity and resourcefulness are key. We'll cover everything from picking the right spot in your home, considering factors like natural light and noise levels, to adding personal touches that reflect your personality and inspire your creativity. Think plants, artwork, or motivational quotes. Think of this as a fun project, an opportunity to invest in your well-being and professional success. A chance to carve out a space that truly works for you, tailored to your specific needs and preferences. We'll talk furniture, from ergonomic chairs to adjustable desks, ensuring your comfort and preventing strain. Organization with clever storage solutions to keep your space clutter-free, and lighting, which is crucial for reducing eye strain and boosting your mood. Small changes that make a big impact on your productivity and overall well-being. By the end of this process, you'll have a clear plan for creating a home office that feels just right, a space where you can thrive both professionally and personally. Let's create a workspace you love to walk into each morning, a place that inspires you to start your day with energy and enthusiasm. Ready to get started on this exciting journey of creating your ideal home office? Let's build your dream workspace together, a space that supports your goals and enhances your work life. The first step is choosing the right location for your home office. You don't need a separate room, just a dedicated area that feels a bit apart from daily distractions. Look for a quiet corner, a nook under the stairs, or even a section of your dining room. Prioritize spots with natural light and minimal noise. Test out a few areas at different times of day to see what feels best. Make sure you have access to power outlets and enough space for your essentials. Once you've found your spot, you've set the foundation for a productive workspace. Your desk and chair are the backbone of your office. They're the foundation upon which you build your workday, impacting your posture, comfort, and overall productivity. Think of them as an investment in your well-being and professional success. Choose a desk that fits your space. Consider the dimensions of your room and how much surface area you realistically need, and gives you enough surface area for your work. You should have ample room for your computer, keyboard, mouse, and any other essential tools or documents you frequently use. A cluttered desk can lead to a cluttered mind, so prioritize space and organization. The style and material should match your home and personal taste. Do you prefer a sleek, modern look or a more traditional, rustic feel? Think function first, but don't ignore aesthetics. Your workspace should be a place where you feel inspired and motivated. Desk height matters. An adjustable desk is ideal, allowing you to switch between sitting and standing throughout the day. Your elbows should be at a 90-degree angle when typing. This promotes good posture and reduces strain on your wrists and shoulders. Invest in a comfortable, supportive chair. This is arguably the most important piece of your home office setup. With ergonomic features, Look for a chair that provides adequate back support, adjustable armrests, and a comfortable seat cushion. Adjustable height and lumbar support are key. These features allow you to customize the chair to fit your body and maintain proper spinal alignment for long-term comfort. A good chair will help prevent back pain, neck pain, and other common ailments associated with prolonged sitting. Try out different chairs if you can. Visit a furniture store and spend some time sitting in various models to see what feels best for you. This is where you'll spend most of your day, so make sure it's a place you enjoy being. Don't sacrifice comfort for style. You can have both. There are plenty of stylish and ergonomic options available that will complement your home decor while providing the support you need. The right desk and chair make working from home a pleasure, not a pain. With a well-designed workspace, you can focus on your work and achieve your goals without sacrificing your health or well-being. Now, set up your technology for maximum comfort and efficiency. Place your computer screen at eye level to avoid neck strain. Use a laptop stand or external monitor if needed, and pair with an external keyboard and mouse. Keep your keyboard and mouse close, with your arms relaxed. Dedicate space for any extra devices like a printer or headset. Use a power strip with surge protection to keep everything plugged in safely. Check your Wi-Fi signal. Consider a Wi-Fi extender if needed. Organize your tech so it's easy to use and doesn't clutter your workspace. A streamlined setup keeps you focused and ready for work. Cords and cables can quickly turn your office into a mess. Use cable management boxes to hide power strips and excess wires. Attach adhesive clips to your desk to guide cords neatly out of sight. Bundle cables with Velcro straps or ties for a clean look. Try a cable sleeve to group multiple wires together. Set up a dedicated charging station for your devices. Keeping cords organized makes your space feel calm and clutter-free. It's a small effort with a big payoff for your peace of mind. A tidy workspace helps you focus on what matters. Lighting can make or break your home office. Natural light is best set up near a window if possible. Supplement with layered lighting overhead for general brightness, a desk lamp for tasks, and a small accent light for warmth. Use bulbs that mimic daylight to reduce eye strain. Adjustable lamps let you direct light where you need it most. Consider a dimmer switch for flexibility throughout the day. Good lighting boosts your mood and productivity. Avoid harsh glare in dark corners. A well-lit office is inviting and energizing. Light your space for both comfort and focus. Now, make your office feel like yours. Choose colors that calm or energize you. Paint a wall or add colorful accessories. Add a plant or two for a touch of nature and cleaner air. Use natural textures like wood or woven baskets for warmth. Display meaningful items, photos, art, or souvenirs to inspire you. Create an inspiration board with quotes or images that motivate you. Use a scented candle or diffuser for a pleasant atmosphere. Play soft music if it helps you concentrate. Personal touches turn your workspace into a sanctuary. Surround yourself with things that make you happy and focused. Organization is key to a productive office. Keep daily essentials, pens, notepads, chargers, within easy reach using desk organizers or jars. Use vertical space, install shelves or a pegboard above your desk. Drawer dividers keep supplies sorted and easy to find. Set up a simple filing system for papers, desktop holders for current projects, a box for long-term storage. Sort through papers regularly to avoid clutter. Give every item a home, from paper clips to binders. A tidy office saves time and reduces stress. Organization helps you focus on your work, not the mess. Make order a habit for a smoother workday. A beautiful office is just the start, a foundation upon which you'll build your most productive and inspired workdays. But the aesthetic appeal is only one piece of the puzzle. Staying focused, truly present, and engaged with your tasks is the real challenge. It's about cultivating a mental environment that mirrors the physical one you've created. Set clear work hours and stick to a routine. This provides structure and predictability, signaling to your mind when it's time to focus. and when it's time to relax. This clear separation is crucial to separate work from home life. It prevents burnout and allows you to fully recharge during your off hours. Start your day with a simple ritual, a consistent action that prepares you mentally for the workday ahead. Something as simple as making coffee and sitting at your desk, reviewing your goals for the day, can make a significant difference. End with a shutdown routine, a deliberate set of actions that signal the end of your workday. Tidy up your workspace, clear away any clutter, jot down tomorrow's tasks in your planner so you can start fresh the next day, and physically close your laptop, creating a tangible boundary between work and personal time. Take regular breaks throughout the day. Stretch your body, rest your eyes by focusing on something in the distance, and step outside for a breath of fresh air if you can. Even a few minutes can significantly improve your focus and energy levels. Protect your personal time fiercely. It's essential for your well-being and long-term productivity. Don't let work spill into your evenings or weekends. These are times for rest, relaxation, and connection with loved ones. Some days will be more productive than others. You'll feel energized and focused, and the work will flow effortlessly, and that's okay. Don't beat yourself up about it. Acknowledge it, adjust your expectations, and move on. Your home office is there to support you, to provide a comfortable and inspiring environment where you can do your best work. It should be a place of calm and focus, not stress you out or add to your anxieties. Enjoy your space, personalize it with things that bring you joy and inspiration, and let it inspire your best work, fueling your creativity and driving you towards your goals. You now have all the tools and knowledge to create a workspace that truly works for you, a space where you can thrive, be productive, and feel inspired every day.